Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make blocks in YouTube. Blocking users is a simple yet powerful way to manage your online experience and keep your channel a positive place. It takes just a few clicks to prevent specific individuals from commenting on your videos or interacting with your content. This easy method ensures you maintain control over your community, fostering a more enjoyable environment for everyone. One of the easiest ways to block a user is directly from their comment. First, find the comment left by the individual you wish to block. Next, click on the 3 vertical dots positioned right beside their comment. A small menu will appear. Simply select the option that says Hide User from Channel. This action immediately prevents them from commenting on your videos again. Another effective method for blocking a user is directly from their channel page. Begin by navigating to the channel of the person you intend to block. Once there, click on the About tab, which is usually found among the navigation options. Look for a small flag icon. Clicking this will reveal a menu. From that menu, choose the Block User option to finalize the process. Once a user is blocked, they will no longer be able to comment on any of your videos, including live chat. They also cannot send you private messages or see your activity on the platform. This powerful feature gives you control over your interactions, helping to create a more positive and respectful space for your content. It's a simple step to ensure a better experience for you and your audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.